This is the Topez model here in Rivertown, and I'm telling you, this home is about to blow you away and blow the other model homes in the area out of the water. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, a little over 3,400 square feet. And this home literally is probably the one that you've dreamt about, but can't actually put a name to it. The name is Topez, but let's go check it out. Come on. This is where you follow me. Let's go, people. floor plans available in this area honestly just raise the bar constantly. I don't know if they're in a slight competition with each other, but there's more amazing floor plans just like this. And if you haven't found them in the perfect neighborhood for you, we should talk. So make sure you like and subscribe because my channel has everything you want to see in regards to St. Johns County. And if I don't, message me and I'll make sure I get it on there so then you have your answers. This home honestly wowed me so much that I'm actually gonna do my real life reaction of me going through it because all I did was walk in and I was like, holy crap, I need to record myself walking through that house. Probably gonna put this at the end of the video and you're probably already at the end of the video when I'm saying this, you guys. Okay, all right, real reaction. One, the lighting does something to my skin. I don't look so pasty and sweaty, but I turned the corner. There's like a private gym with like a bathroom and shower and stuff like that, and a bunch of me's. What the heck? All right, let's see. Love that little nook area. Oh, pretty good looking pieces of art around here. So what? Hold on. Well, if that isn't just the most prettiest Jack and Jill I've ever found, that's so pretty. You guys already saw it. This is my first experience, okay? Gosh, it's like you guys are touring me around at this point, huh? Okay, what's over here? It's very Italian, like from a girl who's been to Italy and misses Italy and dreams that she was in Italy constantly. Like, you could just tell design choices that they do. That's pretty cool. Okay, hold on. Office area, you know I love my natural lights in my office. This looks like a resort entryway. Look at this. I mean, y'all already saw it, but what? Y'all didn't tell me this was coming. Look at this. Look how big the entryway is. Ooh, hold on. Who needs a room this big? I mean, I'm not hating it. Look at this. Again, y'all gotta give a girl some warning. What the heck? Okay, all right. Speaking of gymnasiums, this bathroom's huge. You could wash your golf cart in the shower. Wow. Hey, look, there I am. Hey, so I will admit, I mean, the closet's nice, but like compared to the rest of the house, I will admit that I'm a little underwhelmed with like how that is. But oh, again, that natural light, you guys, hair flip. And also, I mean, if my shower was this big, I would hope that I had more than one head. Is there two? Thought I was crazy again. Okay, this is honestly how I show homes, so you guys are aware. I mean, if I look or sound dumb, that's just experiencing it for the first time, you guys. Okay, shut the front door. Also, what a cool little guard gate for it. It's so hot here, I wanna dive in so bad. Oh my goodness, humidity. I mean, look, I didn't even push the thing the whole way. That's what my daughter would say. Shut the front door, or the back door in this case. It hides. Okay, so this is like an ideal, almost like realistic price point version of the Monica that I love with ICI Homes. It's like a mini version of it that like I could live here. Ooh, look at this pantry. And then you still have where you could hide the snacks, where you could lock them from the kids. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Y'all should see this in person with me. Let's go see it. Everyone's dream home looks completely different. And if the Topez happens to check a lot of your boxes, we should probably have a conversation. But maybe it doesn't. And maybe you're looking for a little bit more square footage, maybe a 2-story, or maybe you don't want a master plan community and you want something more established. Well, I'm your girl. I'm a local, born and raised in the area, and I love helping families find home and build roots here in my hometown. So if you haven't already liked and subscribed, definitely do so to get in the know of all things St. Johns County. Until next time, my name is Demi Judd. I'm with Real Broker, and I'm here to make becoming a local just a little bit easier. See you next time.